sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice, bitch I'm lit. See the flex, walking lit. Do that for that check, do that for that check, do that for that check, yeah, do that for that check. She won't face.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hello y'all. It is hella early morning for me, so good morning, good night, good afternoon whenever you're watching this. But if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. I appreciate you and your time as always. And y'all, recording this video, we just went over 750 subscribers. Oh yeah, get it. Oh yeah, get it. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, man. I'm a little speechless. Oh my god. But no, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for your time, for rocking with your girl, because baby, it's a journey and y'all have been on it. And welcome to everyone new that subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Now, if this is your first time coming to my small part of the YouTube universe, I hope you enjoy the content here. I hope you like the vibes. I hope you like the energy. Hello, how are you doing or whatever? So yeah guys, if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And if you do enjoy this video, this one right here, I hope you consider hitting that thumbs up button, because it does help your girl. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video, okay? So before we start any video, you know the vibes, we have to do our shout outs. So our shout out for this video is Living Life with Summer. Who? Living Life with Summer. Where? Living Life with Summer. Girl, Living Life with Summer. Ayy. We living life with summer. Vibes, living life with summer. Energized, living life with summer. It's right. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but okay. So shout out for this video is Living Life with Summer. So make sure you guys go and check her out. Check out her channel. She will be down in the description box below, and y'all get into it. So now that we have done with our shout outs, we said hello to the oldie but goodies and the newbies. We are gonna get into the video. Okay, y'all. So this money right here is actually from Amazon return. Listen, when I buy stuff, usually it's the expensive stuff, and I bought something expensive and it wasn't working out for little baby, so I returned it. So they want me back my coins. You get me? You feel me? Okay. So we are gonna be stuffing this money, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna count it up and see how much we're stuffing first, and then we will get into the cash envelope portion. So we are stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So we are stuffing $460. I know, right? From an Amazon return, little baby, what you bought. Listen, okay? I'm just glad they run me back my check, because that would have been a whole problem. But it's Amazon, they usually do that, so yeah. So I will be stuffing these binders, these cash envelopes randomly. I don't know who's getting what, so we just gonna, pick and choose and see what the good Lord bless us with, because that's where we at. Usually, if it's not my paycheck, I try to do random budgeting by just picking whatever, whenever, however. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me set up this money, and then we can get into it, little baby, okay? Okay, y'all, so the first binder we're gonna do is this binder right here. I'm not putting anything towards Tide, because when I spent this money, Tides was already taken care of, so nothing extra is going in Tides. Nothing extra is going in upcoming bills, and I'm budgeted. Back to bank. So my emergency fund, guys, is like $46 away from the next 100. So I'm gonna give my emergency fund $46 and I'm gonna put it in back to bank, so I know that I need to put this back in the bank. You get me? So yeah, that's how I know that this goes to emergency fund. I might need to create an envelope that says emergency fund though, that's separate from these, but it's all good. Then that is credit card payments, which we don't need nothing else out of this. So that's off of this binder. So we gonna move on. Now we gonna go to our fixed sinking funds binder. If you guys don't know, I have like 4 different binders. I have fixed and luxury. If it's fixed, I normally stuff it every paycheck. If it's a luxury, it's a luxury to stuff it, okay? So first envelope I have is home, and home is for decorating my apartment when I move here, which is in like 3-4 months. So I'm gonna put $50 in there, all right? And I usually don't count my sinking funds. I am gonna be counting them like sometime this month though, because we are switching over to prop money because your girl's moving. Travel, hold on, I'm gonna come back to travel real quick. Car maintenance, Queen's B-Day, Family's B-Day. Okay, first month's bills. So I'm gonna put the other 50 in first month's bill, because who child, you know, to move anywhere, to start anything, they be wanting a whole lot of like, oh my gosh. So, all right, I think I'm good now with everything else. Now I feel like comfortable stuffing everything else easy, because I have saving challenge, JA vacay, Christmas, Fam B-Day, Queen's B-Day, car maintenance, and travel. Okay, so this is the rest of the money that I have to work with, and I'm gonna just stuff these, you know, just the way the Lord moved my hand. We're gonna put money as we see fit, okay? So travel, I'm gonna put, what do I wanna put? Let me put $20 for now. If I need to come back, I'll come back to travel, but this is the extra cash stuff in, so $20 will be fine. Car maintenance, we always put money in car maintenance, so we're gonna put 20 in car maintenance. All right. Queen's B-Day, I'm not putting anything extra in this because it has a fixed amount. That's my B-Day over the year. Fam's B-Day, listen, okay, Fam's B-Day has this off amount that it's at like $6, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, this $4 to make it up to the next like full dollar, because it be annoying me. Like every time I put money in there, I have to be like 26, 56, 76. I don't like that. Let me just put 80, 90, 20, 10, you know, yeah. So I put $4 in Fam B-Day. We already stuffed first month's bill. Christmas gets money monthly, and that's a fixed amount. JA vacation, I'm gonna put $30 in JA vacation. Or do I wanna put 40? Let's put 40 because listen, y'all, JA vacation, y'all know I got a budget for y'all, and ooh child, like I'm on regular budget for like my family budget, but for my YouTube budget that you guys saw, ooh, baby girl is all off. So I'm put $4 in JA vacation, and this is my quarterly challenge, which comes from my paycheck, so I won't be putting anything in that one. So that's it for my fixed cash envelopes. We're gonna move this off to the side. Okay, y'all, so next is my luxury sinking funds. That's what they are, because it's a luxury to fill them. It's not a necessity in life, okay? So first we have my Juneteenth, and I'm gonna put $10 in Juneteenth simply because it's coming up. So let's do that. Black Friday. So Black Friday is my Christmas, and I finally reached a limit that I want for Black Friday, and it's $300. So I'm gonna put $30 in there just because your girl is trying to get there, okay? We trying to get there and not be done with it. We ain't got no time for all this. So $30 is going in Black Friday. Special occasions, listen, okay? Your girl, spent all her coins. If you watch last week's check-in, spent all her coins. So listen, Mother's Day is coming up, my mom's graduation's coming up, my nephew's graduation's coming up, Father's Day is coming up. It's just a whole bunch of things coming up. So I'm gonna put $50 in special occasions because ooh, they coming for checks, y'all. They coming for checks. Okay, Thanksgiving, we don't feel like stuffing her. Annual stub, I give her $5 because she hasn't gotten her regular coins this month. So $5 for her should be fine. Christmas bills, I ain't putting nothing in there because this is just like, if I can't go to Jamaica and like I go to either my mom's house or they come to my house, then the extra, you know, when people come to your house and use all your stuff up, your light, water, and all that good jazz, the extra that I would have paid for that, that's what Christmas bills are. So that's it for my luxury sinking funds. Now we're going to move to my luxury cash envelopes because what? It's a luxury to stuff some of these cash envelopes, okay? So for clothing, I'm gonna put, I look like I got a lot of tens. I'm put 20 in clothing. And clothing right now, see, these are the cash envelopes, I'll count them with y'all. So clothing right now has 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Clothing has 180. Wait, 180? Really? Ooh, 7. Okay. So this is gonna be 200. Bet. All right. So if we put in order and we just count these up to verify $200, you feel me? 100, 120, 140, 160, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. We love to see it. We love to see all of that coins build up, baby. Next is support a friend. She has her fixed income for the month, which is $50. So she could be a fixed envelope for real. But she a luxury because, you know, she ain't a necessity to survive, but we gonna support a friend. And what is this? Oh Lord, ew. My words. No ma'am. Anyways, so support a friend is good. Budgeting buys. I'm gonna put $5 in budgeting buys because I be buying stuff for this channel. Like, girl. So I'm putting extra $5 in there. What do you have? Oh, it had 10. So now it has 15. That's cool. Going away, we ain't too putting extra money in there. Going out, she good. Electronics, I am putting extra money in electronics. I'm putting $25. I guess I'm putting $25. And right now, electronics has 70. So this, okay, see, now we just gonna do the entire 30 yeah. So when we add the $30 to electronics, now it has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that is that. Boom. Still undecided for YouTube. We still undecided for Good Sis because she just her for now. Nails. Ooh, y'all like my nail color? Ain't it cute? It's so cute. It's like a bubblegum pink. Oh my God. But yeah, so we ain't feeling like giving her nothing. Chiropractor. Do I really? No. Massage and facials, no. Business, listen, business getting some extra coins because we have to get stuff shaking and moving. Yes, so we're gonna put $30 in business, and right now business has 150. So with the $30 extra, it has 100, 150, 160, 170, 180 now for business. So that is GWOZ, player. Okay, and then giveaway, I am putting, let's put extra $20 in giveaway. And giveaway right now has 40, and so that would make giveaway at 60, so 20, 40, 50, 60. And I'm putting extra money in giveaway because I already know what I want to do for my 1K giveaway, guys, because that's my next, well, no. Yeah, but that's my next official like giveaway for my channel. So I do want to start saving up for that giveaway. So let's see. So let's put that here. So that's 60 in giveaway. And now I am done with my luxury cash envelopes. Okay, boom, bada, bang. To my actual fixed cash envelopes, which these ones are the stuffed all day, every day, and twice on Sundays, baby. I don't put anything extra in groceries because it has $400 for the month. Fuel gets $25. Crown, I think, is good. Fine wine, she got money, we gonna spend her, but she don't need no extra money right now. I think she's good. Yeah, she had $80. She good. Allowance, I'm not putting any money in there. I'm really trying to get my life back together because did y'all see February close out? I know y'all did because it was on Monday. If you haven't, go check it out, sis. Like, ooh, the ghetto. Child, household. We gonna give her $5. Household is that girl that gets money because you always gonna need toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies. She always gets money because she does all of that, okay? She a whole, whole HBIC, okay? Toiletries, ooh. So I wanna give toiletries like $10. So let me see if it has a 10 in here. It doesn't. So I didn't even count how much household got. So household has $125 after I put that $5 in. Ooh, child, like the ghetto. Why am I like this? So toiletries right now has $27. I need 2 10s. I need 2 10s. I need 2 10s. They ain't got 2 10s. But my allowance does. Okay, so my allowance has 2 10s. So I'm gonna trade out the 20 for 2 10s, and I'm gonna put that right here, right hither. Okay, I'm gonna put those over there so we're still in line. Oh, child, no, turn around, turn around. Y'all gotta be facing the same direction too. Okay, cool. So let's go back to toiletries. Toiletries, like I said, has $27, and we're gonna put a 10 in there. So that's gonna make it 20, 30, 35, 36, and 37. Let's see. Waxing is getting nothing, health is getting nothing, and miscellaneous would be my last envelope. And so miscellaneous right now has $46. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade out this 5 for this 1, and now miscellaneous has $50. So boom. All right, guys, so I have some extra coins left over. So what I'm gonna do, bam, I'm gonna put it in March Madness. Are you doing March Madness? That's the real question. Are you doing March Madness? Are you in the giveaway? Because we have a giveaway every single week this month. Like, somebody somewhere is giving away money. Are you there to try to collect? Because I'm there to try to collect, little baby. I almost missed out on last week, but I got right in there, sis. Okay, make sure I subscribe, make sure I left my comments. Okay, look down in the description. You're gonna have all the info and you can get it together. Okay, get your 2 cents or your money in, sis, and try to win, because I'm trying to win. So, but no, there's a free printable as well down below. You can get it on Rochelle Adamson's Budget's YouTube. Her link will be down in the description as well. And this was created by Wonder Print Creation by Wonder Lesson Diva. Okay, point blank, period. Sis said, put my name in it, okay, Diva, and put an exclamation mark. Yes, ma'am. So, March Madness Money Budget Edition. And so I have an extra, get up money, I have an extra $11. So that I'm gonna put in this envelope. And guys, I do not know what I'm saving to. Well, I do kind of know what I want to save towards, but we haven't officially decided yet. And so on March 31st, which is when we will all let you guys know how much we save for March Madness as a group, y'all will see how much I save and how much and where this money is going to. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. Even your enemies need blessings, okay? Point blank, period. And yeah, guys, I think that's it. I don't really got too much else to say. Just March Madness money, baby. And my name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she